I see him. It's ladyback forktail. Come on, jump down, jump down. Got leaves in the way. Come on, move. Yeah, there's one sitting back. I got a leaf right in front of it. Shooting this video, that's not good, but I'll take what I can get. They're so shy. Oh, he flew down. Where'd he go? There he is. Flew over there. There he is. Stay right there, buddy.